Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Nu Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. We're going to take a walk on the beach tonight. It's a beautiful late spring, early summer evening. And I am here in front of the Hard Rock as well as the Showboat. Not going to go on the boardwalk though. We're going to take a walk on the beach, probably all the way to the Tropicana. And then I'm going to take a walk on the boardwalk and do one of those $20 in every casino slot pulls and see what happens. I'll work my way from the Tropicana up to the ocean and then head back to the Hard Rock, which is where I'm staying tonight. In any event, we'll pass a couple things on the way, including some beach bars, and see how that new Caesars beach bar is coming along. Should be opening soon. We'll check it out on this walk as well. Come along with me. It's a beautiful early evening, early summer day here in, or early summer evening, I should say, here in Atlantic City. Come along with me. That's right, guys. Today we're in Atlantic City doing one of my favorite things to do this time of year, late spring, early summer, and that's taking a walk along the beach to check out the condition of not only the beach, but the beach bars as we head into another summer season here at the Jersey Shore. Now, if you've been watching the channel for any amount of time, you know that Atlantic City completely transforms once the warm weather arrives and the casinos get busier, the beaches fill up, the boardwalk comes alive, and perhaps nowhere is that seasonal transformation more obvious than the beach bars. Some of these bars are open and already serving customers, some are getting ready to open, and some, like the famous LandShark Bar Grill, never really close at all during the year. And then there's the brand new Caesars Beach Bar, which opens this weekend. So I just got them right before their opening. We'll check that place out as well. So we're going to take a nice relaxing walk down the beach, take a look at what's happening, enjoy this beautiful late spring evening, and hopefully catch a wonderful Atlantic City sunset before we're done. Let's get walking. Hard Rock really hasn't done much in the past couple of years to build a really big, full-fledged beach bar like they used to have. However, there is a bar on the beach and they have some lounge chairs. They're calling it Hard Rock Beach, and well, I guess you can consider that a beach bar. But to me, it's really not a beach bar if there's no music or live entertainment. We'll have to revisit the Hard Rock in the next week or two and see what they have up their sleeves, if anything, as far as a nice place on the beach during the summer. And now we've arrived at one of the most recognizable beach destinations in Atlantic City, the famous LandShark Bar and Grill here at resorts. And unlike many of the seasonal operations, LandShark is open all year round. Whether it's January or July, you can come here, grab food, enjoy a drink, and take in some incredible ocean views. And the one thing you'll immediately notice here is that the beach conditions look much better than we saw further up north by Hard Rock and Ocean. There is some beach erosion up there, and hopefully they'll take care of it before the summer season, or I should say the beach season, starts. Stay tuned. When we get to the new Caesars Beach Bar, I'll show you the drink and food menus as well. As you can see, the beach conditions here are much better than up north, where I literally had to jump onto the beach at the Hard Rock. There's a cliff that's pretty much waist high, so like I said, hopefully they'll take care of that. Atlantic City is no stranger, obviously, to beach erosion. Every winter the ocean reminds us who's really in charge around here. Storms, high tides, nor'easters, strong winds, they all take their toll on the shoreline, and you can definitely see that in the northern end of the boardwalk where we started. One of the reasons I wanted to do this walk tonight is, well, to check out the beach bars, of course, but these late spring evenings are absolutely perfect. The temperature is comfortable, the humidity hasn't arrived in full force yet, the crowds aren't quite at summer levels, as you can see, and there's just something peaceful about being out here. You can hear the waves crashing, you can hear the seagulls overhead. You can hear the usual sounds coming from the boardwalk. It's Atlantic City, but at a slower pace. In a few weeks, this entire area will be packed. Families, tourists, day trippers, bachelor and bachelorette parties, beachgoers. Everyone's looking to enjoy the start of the summer, but tonight it feels relaxed. It's almost like Atlantic City's taking a deep breath before the season officially begins. Some people say the season officially begins Memorial Day weekend, and it's true, that's a very busy weekend, but you really don't see the usual summer crowds until the very end of June, beginning of July. And here we have Bally's Beach Bar, one of the more popular beach bars here in Atlantic City, and every year they have a bikini contest. I went to it last year. That video is available here on the Nu Yawk channel, and they're going to have one this year. I believe it's July 25th. I could be wrong. Somewhere in the middle of July on a Saturday. Winner gets $5,000, and there's other prizes as well. And of course, I'll be here and bring that to you as well this year. For many visitors, the opening of these beach bars signals the unofficial start of summer, and Atlantic City has embraced the beach bar concept in a big way. Years ago, if you wanted a cocktail near the beach, you generally had to go inside one of the casinos. Today, you can sit directly on the sand, enjoy a frozen drink, listen to live music, watch the ocean, and spend the entire afternoon without ever leaving the beach. It's become one of the biggest attractions in town, and honestly I can understand why. There aren't too many places where you can sit with your feet in the sand while enjoying a cocktail, watching the Atlantic Ocean with casinos just yards away. As a matter of fact, I think Atlantic City is one of the only places you can do that. I had to come up on the boardwalk just for a moment though. We'll head back to the beach, but I couldn't get under the ACX1 Studios pier. The tide was high and so was the sand. There just simply wasn't enough head clearance for me to get underneath there without getting soaking wet. So we're on the boardwalk right now. As soon as we get over by Caesars, the other end of Caesars, we'll head back to the beach. And while we're there, we'll check out the brand new Caesars Beach Bar. ACX1 Studios might be closed, but Boardwalk Billy's, a brand new bar there, is open. They have 3 locations on the boardwalk, one down by the Tropicana, one here, and one further north. Okay, let's check out this new beach bar. Now let's talk about one of the big stories this season, the new Caesars Beach Bar, which is called Caesars Beach Club. This is the one that a lot of people have been asking me about. While I was here, I spoke to security. They said it's opening this weekend, and there's definitely a lot of anticipation surrounding it. Anytime a casino invests in a new beach experience, it's good news for Atlantic City. Competition is healthy, and it encourages everyone to improve. It gives visitors more options, and it keeps the city moving forward. I'll definitely be checking this one out once it's fully operational, most likely as early as next week. If they're opening this weekend. And if you're planning a trip to Atlantic City this summer, this could be one of the new hotspots on the beach. Let's take a walk around and I'll show you the drink and food menus as well. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read these menus in detail. So what'd you think? I know it's not completely done yet. They've got a little bit more work to do. I saw some issues there that need to be attended to, but the major stuff is done, and I'm sure they'll have no problem opening this weekend. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. You can bet I'll be bringing you a video from the new Caesars Beach Bar very shortly, right after it opens, and all the other beach bars as well. Once they're all open, I'll do a video like I do every summer. And you know I'll be checking out that bikini contest at the Bally's Beach Bar in July, so stay tuned for that one. If you're not subscribed, that's a good reason to subscribe. As we continue further south, the evening begins to change. The sunlight's becoming softer, the shadows are getting longer, and that beautiful golden glow that photographers love is starting to appear. It's one of my favorite times of the day here at the Jersey Shore, specifically Atlantic City. The temperatures cool slightly, everything just seems calmer, and the ocean takes on a completely different appearance. And now we've reached our destination, the Tropicana Atlantic City, and their Bungalow Beach Bar. And it's the only beach bar here in Atlantic City with its very own pool. And as you can see, they're all set up and raring to go. They're just waiting for the weekend. There's that pool, all filled up and ready to go. I could just see myself a week from now, mojito in hand, enjoying the pool on the beach. This is where today's beach walk comes to an end. We've checked out beach conditions, we visited the beach bar areas, we saw preparations for another busy summer season, we saw Caesar's new beach bar, and we were treated to an absolutely beautiful sunset along the way. Not a bad evening at all. Now before I wrap things up, I've got another video coming that I think you're gonna enjoy. Starting right here at the Tropicana, I'll be walking the entire Atlantic City Boardwalk all the way back to the Ocean Casino Resort. And along the way, I'll be stopping at each casino for a little slot pull. That's right, a boardwalk walk, casino hopping, slot pulling adventure from one end of Atlantic City to the other. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. That video will be coming soon right here on the Nu Yawk channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you around the city.